Hi folks, and welcome back to Travels with Paddles. My name's James, and today we are on the Jurassic Coast at Lulworth Cove.
Here's a map of the route, and total distance was 10.1 miles. We're back on the water again with Portsmouth Canoe Club, and it's an absolutely glorious sunny Sunday in March. A little bit windy, but still within our limits. The plan is to paddle in a westerly direction from Lulworth to Ringstead as the tide falls. Have lunch at Ringstead while the tide turns, and then paddle back to the east as it rises. You need to set off from Lulworth around 2 to 3 hours before local low water. Soon after leaving Lulworth, you reach the magnificent Durdle door. On the way out we didn't paddle through it, but instead headed straight for Bat's Head and Bat's Eye. As long as there isn't too much swell, it's always good fun to paddle through the eye. The Jurassic Coast scenery is truly impressive, and it remains England's only natural World Heritage Site. It has been recognised by UNESCO for its outstanding landforms, rocks, and more importantly, fossils. It's quite common to find ammonites, the things that look a bit like snails. We're just approaching Ringstead now, which means it's time for a breather and a bite to eat. With the tide having turned, it's time to head back the way we came. You can really see millions of years of rock layers. Back through Bat's Eye and then on to the pièce de résistance, Durdle door. This time we did go through. You can see it needs some careful timing to avoid the biggest of the waves. You can also see why my camera gets covered in spray so quickly. The adrenaline's pumping, but we're through. It's just a short section now back to Lulworth. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this short video of our paddle along the Jurassic Coast. Please do like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe on the water.